Feel uninvited.
Crypto Cricket Club is the first blockchain predicted cricket fantasy sports platform which will provide its users with impassable products designed to tackle the key challenges of conventional fantasy sports and provided integrated features for the utilizer engagement without compromising on the user's data. Fantasy sports market in India for cricket itself is estimated to be worth $100 billion. There are multiple key features of the Crypto Cricket Club 3CS which make 3CS entirely unique and exclusive. Now in this video I will tell you about the staking of the 3CS token, and I will also tell you that how you can purchase this token directly from the Probit exchange and also from the Uniswap exchange. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now the 3CS. At this time, the multiple key features of the 3CS, the Crypto Cricket Club. First one is escrow based social market for the users. Secondly, chat feature to enable users to indulge in social engagement. Online cricket collectible marketplace. Staking feature enabling regular users to earn passive income. There are at this time 3CS Crypto Cricket Club is offering two types of staking: premium staking and regular staking. In premium staking, minimum amount which you can stake is 50,000 3CS at this time, and on the and the lockup period is about 6 months, and in regular staking minimum amount is 10,000 3CS and no limit of lockup time of 3CS token. Now the best part which I love the most about 3CS project is that maximum supply of this token. Here you can see the entire supply of this token is 15 million, and there are number of cricket lovers, so definitely the utility and price of 3CS will increase in future. At this time this token is available on the coin market cap and the price of 1 3CS is 0.029, and it is also available on the CoinGecko on the main platform of the CoinGecko, so you can easily check each and everything. Now I'm going to check each and everything, especially the market pairs of the 3CS. Right now it is available on the Probit exchange and also it is available in the VETH pair on the Uniswap exchange. So right now it's your time to buy this token and start staking, because with the help of staking you will make number of 3CS tokens every day, and it is entirely very easy for you to do it. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Here you can see the entire thing about the staking. Minimum amount is 50,000 3CS and lockup period is about 6 months, and 20% you will get. So it's a great thing and a great chance for you to make some good amount of money. And here you can see the entire supply and also the best thing, the contract address. For example, if you want to buy this token directly from the Uniswap exchange and you are not getting the icon of this token, simply you have to copy this contract address and then you can paste it in the Uniswap exchange. So easily you can purchase this token in VETH pair. Here comes the entire allocation of the token 3CS, and here you can see the entire team. And if you have any type of question regarding the team, simply you can message them on Telegram, Medium and also on the Twitter. So the team is going to answer each and every question of yours. Before buying this token, do one thing. You have to go on the main platform. I will share the link, and then you can easily read each and everything on the white paper, because on the white paper they elaborate all the things regarding the 3CS project. Thanks a lot.